Hi, struggling to handle large Excel reports or impress in interviews? You're not alone. Hi, I'm Divakar Kohli from DivKLearner. Join my live webinar on advanced Excel for career and projects and learn the practical skills recruiters love. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index and matches for dynamic data lookups. And we'll be talking about Power Queries to clean and transform messy data. We'll be talking about macros to automate repetitive tasks. We'll be talking about export dashboard security to PDF. We'll be talking about interviews ready Excel tips. So these would be topics that we'll be covering. Furthermore, we'll also get one quick dashboard which we'll be creating in this particular demo or in the webinar. So seats are limited. Register now and level up your Excel skills. Registration link has been given in the description. Don't miss out.